deepest corner of my heart and everyone else's, because we are so proud of you. Our heart is swollen with pride to have you here.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, I am going to ask you certain questions on behalf of students. I know they have been asking me, and you are the most appropriate person to answer this question for them. So the first question that I would like to ask you is with regards to how to tackle distractions. I mean, there are many lately, and it gets really difficult to just, if you are like avoiding one thing, you're not able to avoid the second. How did you do that?
Ma'am, the first and foremost thing is just make sure that I have to clear judiciary. Just have one aim in your life. If you will be very certain about that, then the distractions will not play that much role. Secondly, like people used to tell कि mobiles बंद कर दो. It is not that mobiles बंद कर दो, but try to seek the advantage of social media. Like use Livelog, use other e-magazines. They will gonna help you in writing mains के जो है उसमें important landmark cases. Like in Punjab we have Sukhpal Singh Khaira case. So the people who were not aware about Livelog and all, so they were not aware कि उसको कैसे attempt करना है. So it is very, I would like to say कि it is very must that you because society is very dynamic. So you have to accept those changes also. So उस changes को accept करते करते just try to understand कि कैसे उससे advantage लेनी है. Like read Livelog daily. उसमें जो landmark judgments हैं, like once in the Haryana interview, so they asked me question on multiple time declarations. Even in our mains examination we have that question. So उसमें जब भी कोई particular judgment आती है, always and always कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा point होता ही है जो different होता है. तो अगर if one student is writing that point in the answer, वो बहुत impact डालता है आपके questions में. And I would like to state कि अगर जब आप mains के answers लिखते हो, like मैंने जो notice किया, because I scored really good marks in mains, so I scored like 116 in civil law 1, 117 in 2, and 101 in criminal law. So the what method I applied is that I used to write by giving headings. उसमें like जैसे अगर कोई proposition based question था, so I wrote like सबसे पहले facts. I have given the heading facts state किए. Thereafter what was the legal issue, what was the legal provision they are asking for. Thereafter what is the decision and the application of law, later on decision part. So it is not always about कि आपको law कितना आता है, because in the mains examination it is important how are you articulating that to the other person. Your presentation in the examination plays a very important role, which I feel is very must.
Amazing. Thank you for the tips. I want to ask you another thing. Do you really, how were you able to memorize so many judgments? I mean, I have seen people emphasizing a lot on judgments. Were you like noting everything that you were reading from Livelog, or was it just being like fed in your mind? I mean, what was that?
It was like when you start reading Livelog, कि आपको पता लग जाता है what is the important thing to be give emphasis on. It is not always like कि चलो जो judgment आ रही है उसको पढ़ो. It is about कि कौन सी landmark judgment है. Like I am stating कि multiple time declaration पे है. मेरे को पता है अभी question हरियाणा में है. So there are chances कि कोई और state भी उससे पूछ सकता है. So go for अपना previous year question papers. You get an idea कि कौन से questions important है. So उसी basis पे Livelog को आप filter out कर लो कि मैंने इसी basis पे इसको पढ़ना है. Like you have in evidence act time declaration का concept, उसमें कोई भी judgment आती है. Yes ma'am, 27 पे उसके proviso है जो 24, 25, 26 का proviso है. So उसमें जैसे it is not about कि आपको case law का जो title है वो याद रहे, बल्कि उसके अंदर जो important things the honorable court has stated उसको आप focus करो. It is not about कि आपको judgments लिखनी है. Judgments आपको mains में जो लिखनी है, you can remember only 1 or 2 judgments. वो भी landmark होती. But if you will write in the recent case law in the year 2023, the Honorable Supreme Court has stated this thing. So and put a star or any mark right there. So it will gonna fetch you good marks.
This was my question कि नजर कैसे पड़ती है examiner की, ये point हमने लग लिया है, star वगैरह डाल के ऐसे.
If you are not putting star, because कई बार मैंने तो वैसे डाला था. But अगर कोई objection करते हैं कुछ भी है, किसी को नहीं लिखना because तो it is always safe कि आप उसको एक लाइन छोड़ के या even 2 lines छोड़ के फिर उस चीज को लिखो, फिर नीचे एक लाइन छोड़ दो, because there is enough space. You have like more sheets. So And in Punjab and Haryana, it is all about कि आपकी writing speed कितनी है, and it's all about presentation and जो अपनी knowledge है वो तो है ही है.
ठीक है,
Mains
so-
का ये फंडा है.
So technically, it is not as important to cram the name of the
No,
judgments
no.
as it is the concept.
Yes, concept clarity
yeah.
is must.
Perfect.
Yes.
All right.
And the presentation plays a very important role.
Understandably so. So, if there is a question, supposing they are going to ask you, write anything about confessions or a short note on confession or admission or some anything like that for that matter, because जिसमें हम preposition नहीं है, जिसमें हम वो नहीं कर सकते, segregation नहीं कर सकते हैं. It's a basic question, basic statement based question. How do you attempt that?
Yes, ma'am. In the basic question, so what I used to do that over there, that is that first of all I just explained what is confession, from where the term derived, like from any Latin maxim or there. And very important thing is to state the objective of having that thing in our law. The objective क्या है? Because in each and every question I attempted, I wrote the objective of having that concept in law and try to interlink that concept with the constitution. It is very
Alright.
important. Only these factors will make your answer look different from the other students and will fetch you more marks.
Understand.
Otherwise, huge crowd will gonna write in the same way कि what is confession and the like section 24, 25, 26
Yes,
talks
yes.
about confession. But what makes you different over here is that to write objective, to write latent maxim, to write landmark judgment of the Supreme Court, and to give a very good presentation of the answer.
Understandable. Okay, perfect. Thank you. How did you tackle this GK portion?
Like in the prelims.
Yes, prelims.
So, because in the Punjab and Haryana, we have the GK portion very
Less.
of less marks.
Yes.
So it was only in my last 15 days that I tried to focus on the GK portion. But my aim was कि मेरे को law में अपने marks कम नहीं लेके आने, because GK is like an ocean. You never
Yes.
know कि कौन सा question पूछा जाए. But yes, every day I used to read newspaper and I used to keep myself updated with the current affairs. So
Okay,
that's it.
उसमें से आया था?
Yes, yes.
Okay, alright. बहुत बार ऐसा
Like
होता
in
है कि
Punjab, they have
Yes.
asked अपना cotton का था एक page.
Yes.
हाँ
कहाँ
जी,
पे है
हाँ जी
वो?
वो.
Yeah.
And also अपना उस time because वो चल रहा था ना that cheetah thing अपना
Yes.
of
कहाँ से export किया गया?
हाँ
Something
जी.
like that. Yes.
all that thing was in the newspaper, so
Yeah.
it helped. बाकी ये है कि जीके का you never know कि कौन सा question है, but you can anticipate कि law के कौन से questions आ रहे हैं. So I just focused more on law part. However, I did not give up myself for the GK part also. I was side by side preparing, but was not focusing.
As much
As
as
much
you
as-
did on
yes,
law.
yes.
Alright, understandably so. Makes
Yes.
clear sense. 2 more minutes.
Yes,
I'll
yes,
take.
sure.
Yeah. So, for example, if you're going to like, do you think there is a different approach, total different approach that is to be taken for preliminary and for mains, or we can just handle all together, all together?
It is like for the prelims examination, we have to focus more on like on barracks, because if you have command on barracks, you will gonna clear prelims very easily. However, for mains, what is the key to success is you have to write a lot, because if you want to clear Punjab or Haryana judicial services, so there are a lot of questions, like 24 questions easily you have to attempt over there. So you have to write and write and write, because at the last ऐसे होते हैं कि हाथ गए बस,
Yeah.
and you did not have even time to think about कि मेरे को लिखना क्या है. So it is only with the practice that you get to know how to write, what to write, and what to subtract and what to add in your answers.
Yeah, बहुत बार ऐसा होता है,
Yes.
we know बहुत सारा.
बहुत सारा, but
It happened with me during the college
Yes, yes.
college times. I remember I taught Evidence Act to some of multiple friends of mine. They were able to score 32. I scored 27 out of
Yes,
36.
this happens. This is the only reason behind this is that we know a lot of things, but we do not practice कि हमें लिखना क्या important है.
पेपर में जाके क्वेश्चन देख ऐसे लगता है सारा कुछ याद आ गया, अब
Yes,
इसमें क्या है, कल आउट कैसे करेंगे?
So you do not have to vomit it out कि जो
Yeah,
आता है. You
yeah.
have to put that answer in a very sequence manner, so that सामने वाले को you are giving a very clear idea कि what is in your mind.
Right.
So means में the very funda of securing very good marks is just have this thought in your mind कि मैंने जो सामने वाले को है बहुत अच्छे से समझाना है कि मेरे को आता क्या है. So if you are not trying to give that thing, चाहे आपको कितना भी आता है, you cannot score good marks.
Understandably
Yes.
so. Okay, languages, did you practice every day?
Yes, yes.
Since the very first day?
Yes. Like I would like to say कि language is a make break situation. Because कई बच्चे क्या होते हैं कि अपना लॉ में काफ़ी अच्छा स्कोर कर जाते हैं, बट लैंग्वेज उनको नहीं हमें ले
strong
जाती.
होती है, yeah.
सो लैंग्वेजेस के लिए आई वुड लाइक टू मतलब पॉइंट आउट कि एक तो न्यूज़पेपर रीडिंग लाइक एडिटोरियल पार्ट्स एंड ऑल, एंड देयर आर वेरियस बेसिक जो एसेस के टॉपिक्स हैं वो हर में आते ही आते हैं, लाइक विमेन एम्पावरमेंट तो एक प्रिपेयर करके ही रखो कि
Yes,
आने ही
media,
आना है। मीडिया, विमेन एम्पावरमेंट, मीडिया
Yeah.
ट्रायल एंड ऑल, तो ये आने इनको लाइक देयर आर 10 to 15 जो बेसिक
Pet.
एसेस के हैं वो तो प्रिपेयर करने ही चाहिए। साइड बाय साइड यू हैव टू प्रिपेयर जो करंट के इश्यूज चल रहे हैं।
Right.
सो मेंस के लिए जो अपना है एसेस बिकॉज काफी मेजर रोल प्ले करते हैं। हाउएवर इसके साथ एक और चीज ऐड ऑन करना चाहूंगी कि बच्चे जो हैं बिकॉज मेंस में एसेस पे फोकस कर लेते हैं, ग्रामर पोर्शन में उनका मार्क्स
Yes.
लेस हो जाता है, करेक्शन पोर्शन में। सो उसके लिए भी अच्छे से प्रिपेयर करना चाहिए बिकॉज इन द मेंस इवन 0.5 मार्क्स आर इम्पोर्टेंट।
Definitely.
कि मैंने बच्चे ऐसे भी देखे हैं जो बिल्कुल 0.5 से इंटरव्यू तक नहीं पहुंचे।
Right.
सो इट इज़ नॉट अबाउट कि हमने सिर्फ ऐसे प्रिपेयर कर लिया एंड करेक्शंस नहीं किए या फिर अपनी प्रेसिंग अच्छे से नहीं की। सो प्रेसिस वगैरह के लिए ये है कि एटलीस्ट लाइक इन अ वीक जब मेंस आ रहा है तुम्हारा, एटलीस्ट फॉर 2 times प्रैक्टिस कर लो उसको, सो आ जाता है वो easily।
Right. आपको कितना टाइम लगा टोटल प्रिपरेशन के पूरे स्पैन कितना लगा?
Like I did my completed my law in 2020, so I prepared for Haryana Judicial Services उसके syllabus के according। I reached till the stage of interview, could not clear interview। So second time I appeared for Punjab this time। So अभी मेरे को पता लग गया था कि कहाँ मैंने लैक किया, because I didn't score that much good in my mains examination in the Haryana, although I cleared for interview। So this time it was my goal कि कुछ भी हो जाए I have to score really very well in my mains examination, ताकि कोई ऑप्शन ही ना रहे कि ना हो मेरा। So I tried, मतलब मेंस का this is the funda, just write and write, जितनी प्रैक्टिस राइटिंग की होगी बिकॉज उतना ही तेज हाथ वहाँ पे चलता है आपका।
और आप आंसर राइटिंग पहले दिन से लिख रहे थे क्या?
हाँ
कि प्रिलिमिनरी मतलब
नहीं आफ्टर प्रिलिमिनरी आई स्टार्टेड बिकॉज देयर वाज अ
Okay.
सफिशिएंट टाइम आई
कितना
found for
टाइम मिला था
myself
पंजाब
like
के मेंस
for
में?
45 days I think।
45 days. Okay. So you were not attending answers regularly पहले?
I was not, but there are various people
Yeah,
who
who
are,
did
so
it.
I will recommend कि पहले से करना शुरू कर दो।
Right.
Because मेरे को जो एडवांटेज है वो हरियाणा से मिल गया था।
Right.
Because हरियाणा टाइम I have appeared in the examination, I have written the examination। So for those persons जो पहली बार appear हो रहे हैं उनको तो side by side करना ही पड़ेगा because 45 days are not sufficient for answer writing। Yes।
Perfect. So do you recommend commentaries?
No, actually, I think if you will go into commentaries, so you won't able to write that much into your examination, क्योंकि commentaries में काफी
बहुत
कुछ
कुछ
होता है,
है,
काफी कुछ
exactly.
होता है। तो for judicial services, there are 2 things. Like if you want to be a teacher, you have commentaries must है पढ़ने के लिए because आपको बच्चों को like objectives बताना है, आपको उसका background सारा बताना है। But for judicial services, there is a trick to clear this examination is that just have concept clarity of the basic topic and take 2-3 things which are very different, like one is objective, one is latent maxim, one is a landmark judgment. If you have 3 things in your hand na,
Yeah.
so it will make your answer look different from the other person।
Okay.
So,
तो सब
but
लोग ये नहीं करते हैं?
नहीं करते हैं।
All right. ठीक है.
So people used to like go for अपना basic books, उसमें दिया होता है, but I am telling you one thing important is your presentation।
Perfect.
कई बार क्या होता है कि one student has written the objective, another person has also written the objective, but the checker उसको observe ही नहीं होता, उसको notice ही नहीं जाता
Yes,
उस चीज पे
yes,
कि
yes.
he has written। So presentation also plays a really very good important role।
Okay, पेज नंबर वाइज तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता?
नहीं मतलब ऐसा होता है कि you have to attempt in the sequence
और
wise।
5 मार्क का 1 पेज?
5 marks का, हाँ इसका ऐसा होता है कि like I wrote like 2.5 marks, 2.5 pages for like
10 marker.
10 marker and
हाँ.
for 5 mark I wrote 1 page।
Alright.
So it is all about कितना आता है आपको।
Understand this. I am honestly very grateful how calmly you've answered all of these questions,
that's fine.
and God has been really kind to you, and you have been helping us and all of the students with your immense knowledge.
Even
Thank you
it
very
is my
much.
duty to
Pass it on.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I'm
Thank you so
overwhelmed.
much.
Thank you.
thank you।